Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kristen, and today I am going to be organizing under my kitchen sink. As you can see, it is very cluttered. When we moved recently, we just threw everything that belonged under the sink under here, and we did not organize it. So I'm just going to start by taking everything out from under the sink and putting it on the island so that I can see what all I have. Now that I have taken everything out from under the sink, I'm just going to wipe it out with the Lysol disinfectant spray and just make sure that it's really clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down some shelf liners just to protect the cabinets and prevent things from sliding around. This is the shelf liner that I will be using. I believe I got this at Walmart and it was fairly inexpensive, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that up and get it measured to the size of the cabinet and cut it and get it laid out.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in.
Here are all of the products that were under the sink. I'm just going to start by separating them and grouping them into like items so that I can see everything that I have.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
I got these 2 containers from Home Goods. I'm going to use one to store my sponges and the other to store my dishwasher pods. That way it is more aesthetically pleasing and easier to get to.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive.
These two containers I got from Walmart, and I liked that they had lower sides so that I can see all of the products at first glance and know what I'm reaching for.
In this town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Both of these bins are going to be for cleaning products. One is going to be for products that I use more often, and then another one is going to be for the products that I don't reach for as much.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
I am going to be repurposing this last bin, and it is going to have all of my air fresheners, and I had a couple of light bulbs that I was going to store in there as well.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Now that I have everything in the appropriate containers or bins, I'm just going to be putting everything back under the sink, and I'm going to be playing a little bit with the placement of all of these products just to see what works best for me.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low.
Here is how everything turned out. The products in the front bin are the ones that I reach for the most, and then the products in the back are the ones that I don't reach for as often. And then on the other side, I just have our trash bags, dishwasher pods, sponges, and air fresheners.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, we keep moving.